Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to make this pillowcase right here. I use a bit of satin and some Ankara that I already had to just make it a little different. But either way, if you're interested to see how I made it, stay tuned. Okay, I started off by using a pillowcase, and yes, everybody pretty much has a pillowcase, and I am using some satin that I got from the store, and I am folding it to get the length. Now, the way that I have it folded, basically one of these sides aren't open, if that makes sense. So I'm pretty much just going to be stitching up two sides to start forming the shape of it. As you can see, this is how it is, and I'm going to have to turn it to put the wrong sides outward, because I want to stitch on the wrong side, and that is what I'm going to do in my machine. And as you can see, I'm going to start at the little corners, that way I can get me a good straight stitch going, and just take it off on any excess. You can actually do this with a regular sewing machine as well, but I decided to just go ahead and do everything with this one machine. And I'm going to cut the string off, and that's one side done. I'm going to repeat the same step and stitch down the other side. And as you can see, it's super easy. You can actually stop here, you can fold it, and like go to another machine or something, a regular sewing machine, and stitch it down like that. However, I wanted to add something to it, because I'm always doing something extra. Anyway, I have a piece of Ankara. I just basically measured and made sure it was the same size. Now I do have a little bit extra, and I'm going to do this one inside out, and the excess part is where I'm going to go ahead and put my stitch down the fabric. I could have actually did a little bit more, but this time, yeah. So anyway, I stitched that off, stitched that down, and cut my little strings off. And I'm going to fold this in half. And pretty much what I'm going to do is turn my pillowcase right side out. So I'm going to have the shiny side out this time. And I'm going to match the edges and put my Ankara on the outside. As you can see, I'm going around, and I'm basically pinning these layers together, so it'll be like 3 layers that I have to stitch together. So you want to make sure you stitch to include all 3 of them, or you will be like doing it over. So with this project, I'm going to take it a little further back, so I'm going to probably be sewing off maybe about 1 inch of it at a time, because I want to make sure, again, I get all 3 layers. And even if I have a little bunching up of the Ankara, I'm okay with that. It's gonna come out good. But you want to make sure you have it on the right settings, so it doesn't gather. So this is it. After finished doing that, I can just basically fold it back. And of course, it could use a good pressing, and I can always do that later. Honestly, I probably won't press it, but this is it. And yeah, check it out. Custom pillow case. I love satin pillows, so yeah, I decided to go ahead and make me one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.